This video will help you understand the functions and various features of remote control of your Samsung Inverter Penta series air conditioner. Please ensure that the batteries are properly inserted in the remote. Use the start and stop button to turn on or turn off the air conditioner. The mode button allows you to select or switch between auto, cool, dry and fan operation modes. Use the fan mode to set the speed of the fan to high, medium, low or auto. Use the temperature button to adjust the temperature settings. Eco. This mode will optimize the temperature at 24 degrees Celsius. Through timer mode, you can set the air conditioner to turn on and turn off automatically at the desired time. Press fast button to use this mode. On-off appears on the display of the indoor unit on activating and deactivating this feature. The self-clean feature prevents growth of harmful microorganisms by eliminating the moisture inside the indoor unit. After selecting self-clean, the AC will turn off automatically after 16 minutes. For additional comfort, the sleep mode regulates the temperature and air around you throughout the night and also saves energy. This function is available in cool and auto mode only. Simply press mode, fan or on and off button to deactivate sleep mode. Let's know about the LED and follow me mode. The LED mode is used to activate and deactivate the display of the indoor unit. You can use this feature during night for a better visibility. Follow me function activates the inbuilt room temperature sensor of the remote. In it, the indoor unit receives data about the room temperature from the temperature sensor installed in the remote. On activating the Follow Me mode, an icon appears on the right side of the remote display. The Follow Me function deactivates when the indoor unit does not receive the signal within 7 minutes or when the button is pressed again. Swing, direct. Press this button to enable auto swing. On auto swing, the louver moves continuously for air circulation. Direct. The direct button changes the angle of the louver. It can move up to 6 degrees at a time. Hope this video helped you understand the features of Samsung Inverter Penta series air conditioner remote control.